Today in this video I am gonna explain IPA installer for iPhone install IPA on iOS. Installing IPA files using an IPA installer on an iPhone. Mention the importance of having an installer for IPA files, especially in situations where internet connection is limited or unstable. Explain the Scarlet IPA installer is the tool you will be using for this process. Instruct the user to open their browser and visit the Scarlet website or find it in the description of the video provided. Guide them to scroll through the page until they find the installation button. Instruct them to click on the installation button and then choose direct install. Advise them to wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, explain the users may need to trust the Scarlet app. Instruct them to go to their iPhone settings menu. Within settings, guide them to navigate to General and then Device Management. Explain the need to trust the Scarlet app by clicking on it and select Trusting. Once Scarlet is trusted, demonstrate how to sideload IPA files. Instruct the user to open the Scarlet app. Demonstrate clicking on the Sideload IPA button, typically located at the top right corner of the app interface. Provide an example of installing an IPA file using Scarlet. Guide the user to locate the IPA file they wish to install. Instruct them to click on the IPA file and then proceed with the installation process. Illustrate the installation process using an example IPA file named Misaka IPA version. Emphasize the importance of verifying that the installation was successful. Suggest opening the installed app, example Misaka app, to ensure it functions properly. Encourage users to repeat the same process for installing additional IPA files. Provide an example of installing another IPA file, example Esign app, to demonstrate the versatility of the process. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.